Hello, this is Scott. Welcome back to my YouTube channel on data science and analytics. And hopefully you were with me last time. I covered a very short video using Sarkar's, based on Sarkar's information. And this is, we're talking about split plot designs, or we did last time. We're actually going to continue that, but we're going to use we're going to focus in on this one thing, dot plot. This will be very, very short. Again, if you were with me last time, you can check that out. That was R61. This is R62. And we ended up doing a series of commands on the old, I think it's 1935 Yates data, but it's very, very cool and very prolific, I guess, in use as a data set. And you can get that from the NEMS package. And I'm using the Lattice library. So I just broke last time in this session. And then what we can do here is I really kind of want to focus in on the dot plot. So to execute, you can see that command, and obviously you can pause the video if you want to replicate that. But if I execute this command, I actually get these dot plots, which is really pretty cool. You know, I can see this data here on the crop output in the different territories, the different geographic territories, and so it gives you a very powerful way to analyze these different this data very quickly. Apologize, I didn't say last time. I'm a little bit weary. I couldn't sleep, so I decided that I'd actually make this. And so that's the dot plot. And again, you can give that a try. So now I'm basically going to use this list and put that within this key variety variable, and then I'm about to plot that. So again, these are the different levels of the data, and we'll actually see this, and we're going to, you know, create some labels and everything, but we're going to end up with a pretty nice plot with the X plot command here. So yeah, I mean, play with this with any data set that you want. It's just the power of the Lattice package and what you can see. And so visually, I can see all of these different data points very clearly in R and RStudio. And again, these are the three different varieties of wheat, or I think it's oats or whatever it is. So these are the different varieties, and you can see the different points here with different markers for those. So a lot of information really in a very tight space. Instead of stacked the way we saw it in the last video, here you can see it side by side. And I should say that this is not just dot plots. We can actually do this, use this bar chart as well. So I'm essentially going to create a bar chart. And this is the Titanic data set that I'm actually using for this, but this is classic too. I'm sure you've seen it, but these trellis or lattice type bar charts are pretty cool. In fact, let me just show you one more. All right. And again, you can stop the video and reproduce that. So that actually gives you a little bit different view of the data. But anyway, like I said, I meant this to be short, so I'm going to stop there. Hopefully you can join me again soon.